Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Ande. Welcome back to SFL. So in this video, I'd like to teach you prepositions of time. So mainly we use three prepositions according to period of time. As you can see here, there are three prepositions at, on and in. These prepositions we use according to the period of time. If you want to talk about specific times, we use preposition at. While if you want to talk about specific days or dates, we use on. To talk about more general periods, we use preposition in. So in this topic, I'll be explaining in detail about how to use all these prepositions. We will start with specific times. When you talk about specific times like 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 6 o'clock in the morning, you have to use preposition at. Here you can see one example. I will meet you at 5 p.m. Here we have used preposition at because this one you can see 5 p.m. it is specific. I'll give you more examples. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, or I can say I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to office at 9 a.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m. This is how with specific times you have to use preposition at. Why we call them prepositions of time? The main reason is these prepositions we use with time. You can see here 5 p.m., Monday, 16th August, July, summer, 2027. All these are times. With times, we are using prepositions at, on, in. That's why we can call these prepositions as prepositions of time. The smallest unit of time is seconds. After that, minutes, hours, parts of the days like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. After that, days in a week, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. After days, weeks. So that months, in January, in February, in March, in April, in May, in June, in July, in August, in September, in October, in November, in December. After months, seasons. In India, mostly there are three seasons. In summer, in winter, in rainy season or in monsoon. Right now, it's raining outside. Alright, so after seasons, we can talk about years. In 2026, in 2027, in 2001, I was born in 1993. This is how, according to duration of time or period of time, you should know how to use these three prepositions at, on, in. Okay, so far we have understood when to use at. At is used with specific times. Next one is on. On is used with specific days or dates. Here you can see I will see you on Monday. Monday is day. Similarly, my birthday is on 16th August. 16th August is date. So with days and dates, you have to use preposition on. In other words, I can say if the period is of one day, as you know, all the days in a week and you can take any date, it is for one day. The duration of any day or date is one day. With one day, you have to use on. For more than one day, like weeks, months, seasons, years, which are more than one day. What I mean, year is consist of 365 days. So whatever time, whatever time duration, if it is more than 1 day, simply use in. If you take any month, it is more than 1 day. That's why here I will not say we are going on vacation on July. I have to say in July. Why I have used in here? Because July is not a specific day, which is not talking about 24 hours duration. Okay, if time which indicates duration more than 1 day or period more than 1 day, you have to use in. Obviously, July is a month which is more than 1 day. We are not specifically talking about a particular day in the July month. So here you have to use in. So in short, I can conclude with saying at is used with specific times like at 6 p.m., at 7 p.m., at 6 o'clock, at 6 o'clock in the morning, right? At 6 a.m. on with 1 day, in more than 1 day, on with days and dates, in with months, seasons, and years. So we are going on vacation in July. It is a month. We will have a vacation in summer. Summer is season. In India, there are three seasons: summer, winter, rainy season, or you can say monsoon. With all these seasons, you have to use preposition in. Why? Because the period of all these seasons are more than 1 day. In India, the seasons are around 4 months. That's why you cannot say on summer, because on, as we understood here, on is used with the period which indicates 24 hours a day, days or dates. That's why with seasons also we use in. So we can understand from this that the prepositions of time, at, on, in, all these prepositions are used according to the period of time. In the last sentence you can see, I will buy a new car in 2027. 2027. Okay, here we are talking about year. Now we will see, can we mix up these prepositions in a single sentence? Yes, of course. For example, I'll try to use at and on in same sentence. I will see you on Monday at 5 p.m. So here I have used two prepositions because here you can see I have used two times. Okay, in this sentence, on is used for Monday, which is day. That's why we have used on. At is used for specific times. Here you can say with specific times we use at. So this is how you can use at and on in the same sentence. I will see you on Monday at 5 p.m. I will watch a movie on Sunday at 9 p.m. We will see what happens if I delete 16 here. Then the sentence will become, my birthday is in August. My birthday is in August. Why I have used in here? Because August is a month. Here I have used on because 16th August is date. With date we use on, with months we use in. I think now you have understood how to use all these three prepositions. I'll recap once again. We will start with smallest unit of seconds, minutes, hours, after that parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. You can use AM or PM. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, or I can say I wake up at 6 a.m. So with specific time, we have to use at. Other parts of the day, okay, if you club all these parts of the day, it will become one complete day. With complete day, we use on. Okay, I take rest on Wednesday. I go out with my friends on Sundays. I play cricket on Saturdays. I start new batch on Thursdays. I meet one of my friend on Monday. I will see you on Tuesday. I go to the gym on Fridays. This is how you can use on with specific days. On Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday. After days, weeks, first week, second week, third week, last week, first week of this month, last week of this month, first week of next month, second week of next month, first week of January, second week of March, last week of December. With last and next, don't use prepositions. You cannot say on last week or in last week or at last week. Don't use prepositions with last and next. Simply you can say last Sunday, last week, last month, last year, next week, next month, next year. Don't use prepositions with last and next. Similarly, don't use prepositions with yesterday, today, tomorrow. You cannot say I watched a movie on yesterday. It's wrong. Instead of that, simply don't use preposition. You can say I watched a movie yesterday. I will watch a movie tomorrow. I will watch movie tonight. And later you can say last night, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, last night, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, tonight, next morning, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, Friday night, okay, last night. This is how you can use all these vocabulary to express time. And don't do. How can you use preposition? I can say I will call you on Monday morning. I had party on Saturday night. So as you know, with Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, all these days we use on. That's why I have used preposition on. I had party on Friday night. Okay. So after days, we use weeks. After that, months. In January, in February, in March, in April, in May, in July, so on. In December. I will buy a new mobile in December. I will call you in January. I will complete my PhD in September. This is how you can use preposition in with general periods which are more than one day, like weeks, months, years. I used to give some discounts on my course in summer. Mostly in winter, we like to visit to Goa. I like to travel in winter. In rainy season, I like to drink tea. So this is how we can use in with seasons. After that, with years, you can use in. I will complete my project in 2026. I completed my MS in 2017. I started SFF in 2019. I purchased this mobile in 2024. So this is how we can use in with general periods. I think now you all have understood how to use prepositions and how to talk about time, how to use time in the sentence. Still, if you have any types of doubts related to this topic, I would be very happy to respond to your comments. And if you want to demand me any of the topic that you want to learn, I'd be very happy to make next video especially for you. Please comment the topic you want to learn from me. Okay, till then, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.